Hello, today we will be seeing Fibonacci series in Unix command. We'll write a program basically in Unix to construct a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is nothing but by default it has two variables. That is, first one is 0 and then a 1. If it is Fibonacci, we have three basic values as our default values, and then the series goes on. So in Fibonacci we have 0 and 1 the starting values, and then we add 0 and 1, and then we have the next value, so that is again 1, and then for the next value we add the previous two values, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, and so for the next preceding values we have to add 1 plus 2, that is 3. So basically when we are going to write a program, we'll be taking this into one variable, this value into one variable, and then we'll have another variable as addition of these two, and then we will be proceeding. We'll be changing f1, for example f1 is 0 and f2 is 1, f3 will be the third this. So for the next value, this should be my f1 and this should be my f2 for the next f3 value. So like this I'll be adding and changing the variables and continuing. And then when I add 3 plus 5 it gives me 8, and then when I add 5 plus 8 it gives me 13, and so the series continues. So we can see that this is how Fibonacci series work. So let's put this into command and create a program. So to create your program in Unix which runs for Fibonacci series, I'll be creating a file first. So I'm using vim command to create a file. Okay, .sh, my extension is .sh. So here we have a new file created. I'll give insert I, then I'll first ask for how long the series should be, that is n will store the value of the series. So echo, using echo command, and that enter the n is basically the length, the number of values in a particular series. So I'm not having any terminator or delimiter here in Unix. So then for taking the value of n, we have the command read. So I have read. Now n is a variable, it understands on its own. It can be string or variable or anything. Next I'll be initializing my f1 and f2. f1 is equal to f1, I'm not giving any space, directly followed by n is equal to, which shows that I'm initializing a value. f1 is equal to 0 and my f2 is equal to 1. After this I'll be actually displaying these two. If by default the person enters n value is 2, so by default we are going to display only 0 and 1. So for that I'll be first displaying as Fibonacci series, and then we'll be echoing. Here we are simply not going to write echo f1. Here we want the value to be displayed, so we will be using the dollar symbol behind the variable. So it is echo dollar symbol of f1. This will make sure that it displays the value of f1. Next I'll be echoing dollar symbol the value of f2, followed by if condition, if the user enters value 2, so we'll be displaying only 2. Only if it is greater than 2, we'll be proceeding with the other number values in the series. So if only dollar symbol n, that is the value of n space hyphen gt, that is greater than 2, I'll be closing the thing. And then what we're supposed to do, we have then, this is the syntax for if then the square bracket, the value hyphen greater than less than, that is gt, the value, close the bracket, then followed by, we are having for loop. For the syntax for for loop we have for followed by two braces, and then I is equal to 0. I'm not leaving any space. Terminator I less than dollar symbol n. We need the value of n so that we can run the loop. Terminator I plus plus I increment the value. So here I close it. Then what am I supposed to do? So we follow it by do, and then F3 will be dollar symbol of F1 plus F2. So this will make sure that we take the value of F1 and the value of F2 and store it in F3. So here then I'll echo the value of F3. So dollar of F3. Because we have an addition here, I'll use the basic calculator along with it, that is BC. So then I swap the values. F1 will become my value of F2, and then my F2 will become value of F3. And then this is what the basic operation is. So here my do finishes. The for loop ends here, so I'll be typing done, and then because I'm closing the if, I will write the if in reverse, that is Fi. So to save it, we press escape, then colon, here WQ, and then press enter. And to run this file, to compile, to execute, we have BASH, and the name of the file .sh. Here it is asking us for the value of n. We can enter the value as 7. So it is showing the Fibonacci series as 0, 1, 1, 2, then 3, that is 2, plus 1, 3, then 2, plus 3, that is 5, then 5, plus 3, 8, then 8, plus 3, 13, and 13 plus 8 is 21. This is how we write the coding for Fibonacci series in Unix. Thank you for watching.